កំពុងតែនៅអាវតទីម៉ាត់ខេតលក់បន្លែផ្លែឈើនៅតំប៉ា
áo 37 Easy goes over here.
Oh yes, sorry.
Một tinh xóm 3 bách $10.
Okay.
Everything. Hey.
Mưa nè. Xích tiếp đi. Is your door friendly?
Got two different ones look almost the same. See, look. Want to try it? It looks almost the same.
Oh, so,
It's sweet.
ngọt đúng.
Yeah. This one, I think this one, and this one.
Viên nó còn lại từ đúng rồi.
No, it's okay. I got the pen. We actually today we have 2 chairs. We forgot our chairs.
How much you sell?
Can you sell one?
This is at the same, right?
Raining last night, so we
Tạm
walked
tốt.
raining and then we go back in the house. Then we come out with a flashlight in the dark.
The one that they eat is this one. The wrap meat. Is it a sweet lychee or the? Yeah, that one we eat it. We yeah, try one. It's more for they wrap with the little sweet, little sour, not right yet. That's yum.
Bọc cô, bọc cạn, tiệt bọc vang. nông building đó. William, let's go. Hey. 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 Hey, đây. Oh, dia perang. Wow, komen itu kan. Oh, sok tahu. Mông.
น่ากินอ่ะไข่ข้าวเนี่ยให้น้องมัน
อันนี้ตบไม้ในตบไม้มีแต่มัวเยอะในกระไรนี่
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take that.